Hey everyone, it's Leanne. Welcome back to my channel. This is day 84 of my 1 year YouTube challenge where I'm challenging myself to post a video every day for a year. I'm really tired. I got a lot done today though, so that's good. Tomorrow's gonna be really busy because I'm gonna be helping out the game. Gotta be there at 1 to start setting up, and then I'm gonna be there until the game ends, which could be as late as 10 o'clock. I'm gonna cut this short just because I need to go to bed. There's someone just banging their horn. Um, alright, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.